Morning students, I am Engineer Ajay. Welcome all of you in digital classes provided by Rajasthan Academy Churu for preparation of entrance exam of Sainik School, Military School, Navodaya Vidyalaya, High Sports School and RIMC. Students, it's class of reasoning and our topic is logical Venn diagram. We have studied about basic of logical Venn diagram in last class. What is Venn diagram and first type of question asked in examination based on Venn diagram. Now we will start the second type of question asked in examination based on Venn diagram. So start. Second is the second type of question is analysis based Venn diagram. Analysis based Venn diagram. Let's start. What type of question are? Now see what is. In this type, the relationship in a group of elements is represented by different geometrical diagrams and each figure represents different class. In this type of questions, what is given in this type? The relationship in a group of elements is represented by different geometrical diagrams and each figure represents different class. It means in this type of questions the Venn diagram is given. Venn diagram is given in the question. Okay, and the different elements are represented by different geometrical figures. Okay, and each figure represents different class. Okay, it means in this type of questions the Venn diagram of elements is given and elements are represented by different geometrical figures or diagrams and each diagram represents different class. Let's see this type of questions. Question based on analysis based Venn diagrams. Let's start. The given diagram represents those people who plays hockey, cricket and badminton. See the diagram and find out those people who plays all three games. Means in the given diagram which represents those people who plays hockey. People who plays hockey. Okay, hockey, cricket and badminton. Cricket and badminton. The Venn diagram represents the people who plays hockey, cricket and badminton, and we have to find out the people who plays all three games. Who plays all three games? People who plays all three games. Okay, let's see what is Venn diagram. Let's see. The Venn diagram is given as in different geometrical shapes. Okay. Here is different geometrical shapes. Let's see. Okay. Now third shape is these are three different geometrical shapes. Here is square, here is triangle and it is circle, and all geometrical shapes represent different elements. Okay, it represents the people who plays hockey. Okay, and it represents the people who plays cricket. Okay, and it represents the people who plays badminton. Okay, and these are represented by this side of figure is represented by P, and this by Q, and this by S, this by R, this by T, and this by V, and this side by U. It is the logical Venn diagram given to us, and these are different geometrical shapes. It is square, it is triangle, and it is circle. The square represents the people who plays hockey. The circle represents the people who plays cricket, and the triangle represents the people who plays badminton. Okay, and these are the shapes which created by them. It is called P, the slot is called P, and this slot is called Q, and this slot is called S, this slot is called V, this slot is called T, and this slot is called R, and this slot is called U. Now we have to identify the people who plays all three games. We have to choose the people who plays all three games. Let's see. In slot P, let's see, slot P starts from here, and the all square represents the people who plays hockey, and the slot P represents the people who only plays hockey. The people who only plays hockey. Okay, and the whole circle represents the people who plays cricket. But the slot U, which starts from here and completes here, it represents the people who plays only cricket. Now the whole triangle represents the people who plays badminton, but the slot R in this shape, it represents the people who only plays badminton. Okay, now see, Here the circle and square combined, and the slot V represents the people who plays hockey and cricket. Because square and circle are combined, means here is the players who plays hockey and cricket both. Now see the slot Q. In slot Q, square and triangle is combined, and Q represents the people who plays hockey and badminton both. And in slot T, here circle and triangle is combined, then the people in slot T represents who plays badminton and cricket. Now see slot S. In slot L, square, triangle and circle, all of three are combined, so the people in S are the people who plays hockey, cricket and badminton, all three games. So answer is S. Okay, I draw it. First of all, P. In slot P, people who only plays hockey. Okay. In slot U, the people who only plays cricket. Okay. Next slot is R. In slot R, the people who only plays badminton. Okay. Now slot Q, the people who plays hockey and badminton. In slot V, the people who plays hockey and cricket. And in slot T, the people who plays badminton and cricket. Okay. And in slot S, the people who plays hockey, cricket and badminton, all three games. It is our answer, because in S, square, triangle and circle both are all of three are combined, so our answer will be S. If it is asked in question, so the people who only plays hockey, then our answer will be P, because the people in slot P plays only hockey. If in question it is asked the people, so the people who only plays cricket, then our answer will be U, because the people in slot U only plays cricket. If it is asked in question, so the people who only plays badminton, then our answer will be R, because the people in R only plays badminton. Now it is asked in question, so the people who plays hockey and badminton both, then our answer will be Q, because here square and triangle are combined, so the people who plays only hockey and badminton, then answer will be Q. If it is asked in question, so the people who plays hockey and cricket, then our answer will be V, because here square and circle are combined, so our answer will be V. Now it is asked in question, so the people who plays badminton and cricket, then our answer will be T, because in T triangle and circle are combined. And last one is the people who plays all three games, hockey, cricket and badminton, then our answer will be S, because all of three, square, triangle and circle are combined here. So our answer will be S. Okay. So I hope you got it. Now note down it in your notebook and practice the question of it. We will continue in it next class. Okay, thank you.